How to unlock Binance account. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So for that, you may head over to browser and type in Binance support or support.binance.com and you will be led towards this page. So in order to unlock your account, you need to reset your password. Or we have another method, which is by tapping on the three dot at the top, three horizontal lines, and a menu opens up. From the given menu, scroll down and you should be finding option called 24/7 chat support. Tap on it. And from here as well, you may scroll down and you should be finding option called get support. Tap on it. And then after tapping on it, you will be led to this section where you will be getting an inbox. So in this inbox section, go ahead and type in that you want to unblock your account. So in order to unblock your account, you may type in unblock my account or something similar. So for that, you need to go to the login page and enter your account details, password, and then 2FA code, and click the unlock on the pop-up message if your account is locked, and the review will be completed within 3 days and the result will be sent to your email. If you have violated their terms and conditions, that may be the reason. So you may need to provide a video proof as well and legal document verifications. And once that is done, they should probably help you unlock your account. So that's it for now. You may follow this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.